Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this tech tutorial video we're going to show you how you can rotate objects and shapes in your drawings on LibreOffice Draw in 2026. So let us dive into this. Alright guys, let me go to the example page here inside my drawing project on LibreOffice Draw and left click into this triangle. You will need to access its properties here in the top right corner. And after that, expand position and size. And here you will see the rotation tab. So there are several ways you can do this. You can use this handle on the rotation angle more intuitively like this. Or you may enter a value here in numbers like, I don't know, rotation of 165 degree. Or you may use, and that's option number 3, these buttons to the right. So which way you go, guys, is up to you. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, got some real value from it, and we'll catch you later.